Ford F-150 is not just a truck, it's America's best-selling vehicle for decades. Known for its strength, reliability, and innovation, the 2026 Ford F-150 continues to dominate the pickup market. Today, we'll explore its design, performance, technology, and why it remains a top choice for millions of drivers. The 2026 Ford F-150 comes with a bold, muscular look featuring a redesigned front grille, LED headlights, and aerodynamic body lines that improve efficiency. Available in multiple trims like XL, XLT, Lariat, Platinum, and Raptor, the F-150 offers both rugged toughness and premium style. The high-strength, military-grade aluminum alloy body makes it lighter yet stronger. Under the hood, the F-150 offers multiple powertrain options ranging from a 2.7L EcoBoost V6 to the mighty 5.0L V8 and even a hybrid power boost system for efficiency and towing capability. With best-in-class towing capacity of up to 14,000 pounds, the F-150 remains the king of hauling. The advanced 10-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth performance both on and off-road. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious, luxurious cabin designed for both work and comfort. The 12-inch touchscreen with Sync 4, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and premium sound systems make every ride enjoyable. Higher trims add leather seating, ambient lighting, and heated ampersand ventilated seats. The F-150 is loaded with smart technology. Pro Power Onboard turns your truck into a mobile generator, while Ford Colorado Pilot 360 includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras. This makes the truck safer and smarter than ever before. With its legendary durability, unmatched performance, and modern technology, the Ford F-150 continues to be the go-to truck for Americans who want power, reliability, and versatility. Whether for work, adventure, or family, the F-150 delivers it all.